In this video, I will show you how to update graphic driver in your Windows 11 PC. To begin, right-click the Start button, then select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters category by clicking the arrow next to it. This is my graphic driver, so I will right-click and select Update Driver. From here, you want to choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find and install the latest available drivers. So I will click that. It appears that the best drivers I already installed on my device. And that's pretty much how you can update graphic drivers in Windows 11 PC using Device Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more quick tech tips.